and solvent. So solute and solvent. You can understand both these concepts when I take an example. Suppose I have two components, that is component A and component B. I have a beaker in which I have the component B, and then I am adding component A into component B. Now whenever a substance is being added to another substance, it forms a mixture. Now in this case, the compound which is being added is component A, and that is referred to as the solute, and the substance in which it is being added, it is referred to as the solvent. So we can say that solute refers to that component which is actually the dispersed particle, that is, we can say that is being mixed, and in which it is being mixed, it is referred to as a solvent, or it is referred to as the dispersion medium. So we can say that solute is added to a solvent, or a dispersed particle is being added to a dispersion medium, and together solute and solvent forms a solution. So whenever there is a solution, one component will be a solute, the other will be a solvent, and generally it is observed that solute is in the lesser quantity and solvent is in the larger quantity, or it is more in quantity. Now let us discuss some of the examples of solute and solvent. If I have an example of tincture of iodine, that is actually iodine mixed with ethanol or mixed with alcohol. In this case, iodine is added to ethanol. So iodine is the solute and ethanol is the solution. Ethanol is the solvent and tincture of iodine is the solution. So we can say that solute plus solvent will give a solution, that is the case of tincture of iodine. Also, if I have a mixture of copper sulfate and sand and salt, all these are mixed in water, then all these three are the solute, water is the solvent, and the compound which we get is known as a solution. Sometimes it is found that solute are always mostly in the case of mostly in the solid state, but in this case tincture of iodine, iodine is the solute and it is found in the liquid state. Now if I take another example, that is the example of soda water or aerated cold drinks, in which I have carbon dioxide added to a liquid. In this, carbon dioxide is the gas and it is the solute, and liquid, it is the water, it is the solvent, and the solution will be the cold drinks or the soft drinks. So solute is generally in the solid state, but it can be in liquid as well as in the gaseous state. And mostly solvent is found in the liquid state. Like in this case, ethanol is in the liquid state, water is also in the liquid state, and again we have the water. Most commonly solvents are in the liquid state, but generally you can find in the solid state or in the gaseous state. This was the concept on solute and solvent, which together form a solution. And then we have discussed the examples of solute and solvent. The most important was the tincture of iodine, that is iodine mixed with ethanol. Ethanol is also referred to as an alcohol. So we can say that tincture of iodine is formed by iodine in alcohol.